component in every project to function every time. You need connectors with a track record. That's Array. We understand that failure is never an option. We have a 20-year reputation built on zero tolerance for mistakes. You'll find our connectors in the mil-aero, commercial, industrial, geophysical, and electronics industries. Our goal is perfection. Unlike most of our competitors, we design and manufacture every piece at our Miami campus, which allows us to monitor and control every detail and every stage of manufacturing. Our standard connectors are at work in applications across the board, from aircraft engines to airliner galleys, from MRIs to industrial controls. We make thousands of designs, all in the full range of coupling choices. Face a new challenge no off-the-shelf product can address? If we don't make it, we'll invent it. And we'll do it on a tight timeline, often at an off-the-shelf cost. How? Our American-based on-staff engineers are experienced problem solvers. They know your industry, and no one knows more about connectors. We believe every connection is mission critical. Our product is perfect or it's nothing. And we have the certifications and approvals that let you know that we're tested and proven. Connect to absolute confidence. Talk to Array today. We have what you need on the shelf or from the drawing board. Unmatched reliability, fast turnaround, and competitive pricing. That's Array.